almost 50 years, so.
Buddy tracks again. We're gonna do you two, and you can just tag along with me, mate. Buddies. Awesome. And then we're gonna walk on down to the left-hand side of the beach. So by where that ramp is, we're gonna walk on there. We're not gonna actually go on the ramp because it's pretty slippy, but we're gonna do the same sort of beach entry, get up to our waist, BCD inflated, and then put on our fins. We're then going to swim out on our backs again, up to the 3 metre point. We're going to put down the buoy, and then when we're all ready, we're going to go down, remembering to equalise. I'm going to check everyone's okay. Everyone's all good, all weighted properly. Then we can go dive. So I'm going to lead, and we're basically just going to follow the stone wall along here. You won't notice the stone wall really, because most of it is covered in seagrass and seaweed. It's pretty cool actually. It feels like you're in a sort of underwater forest. Hopefully we're going to see some cuttlefish there. Might see some more Port Jacksons. It's mainly just lots of nice colourful fish there, so we can just point out different shoals and stuff like that. I'll be asking you air, so around every 10-15 minutes I'll go, what's your air? So just remember, I've got 180, 170 and so forth. When we get to 120,